Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some Jawahar Navodaya entrance exam math from Arient publication, and today's first sum begins with number 6, and it is like this. In what time? Rupees 4,250 amounts to 5,610. So 4,250 is the principal. P is equal to how many? 4,250. Amounts to 5,610. This is the amount, this is the principal. So interest is equal to, let's subtract it. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 5 we can't. Subtract 5 from 1. We shall borrow from the next place. Here 6 we will take 1. The remainder will be 5. And here 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 5, this is 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 1. So, interest, this is the interest. Would you understand? Interest is 1,360. The rate is equal to R is equal to, you know, the principal is also given. So, what is asked? What is the rate of the what time is asked? What is asked? Time is asked. So you know how to calculate the time, how to arrive at a time. Could you understand? The formula is T is equal to what? Tell me. T is equal to I into 100. So no. I into, tell me. I into
100.
You can't remember.
I into 100 by
100. I into 100 by P.
P into R.
P into R. That is I is equal to how many? Interest is equal to 1360 into 100 upon P is equal to 4,250
Into 8.
50 into 8. 0 cancel, right? 5 8 the 40 remaining 2 ये 5 25 5 2 the right. Next 5 17 the 5 2 the 10 remainder 3 36 5 7 the 35 1 2 right. 17 1 the 17 remainder 10 10 is 2 1 6 so 17 6 the 6 right. 8 2 the 2 into 2 is equal to how many? 4. Number 4. Alternate 4 is correct. Okay, thank you. Next one is, what is the rate of interest for 2,500 at simple interest to become 3,300 in 4 years? So amount is given, that Samula Sudha is equal to 3,300. P is equal to how many? 2,500. Interest is equal to 800. And time is given. T is equal to 4 years. What is asked? What is the rate? Rate is equal to, tell me, rate is equal to what? Rate. R is equal to
100.
rate is equal to I into 100. Yes.
Into T.
P
Into T.
T is equal to 800 into 100 upon 2,500
500
into t is equal to 4.
to
Right?
4
double zero cancel. Right?
4
4
4
to the 4 00 25 8. Oh, right answer is
80%. 80%. 8.
number 3 is correct. Right? Next, what is the simple interest? Number 8, what is the simple interest on 500? P is equal to 500
P.
at 2% per annum R. TR upon 100, 5 upon 2 into 4 upon 100. Right? double zero cancel. 5 to the 10, 10 4 the 40. Tell.
Answer is 2.
Answer is given.
Yes.
Yes.
Number 2.
Yeah.
2.
Next one is number 9. What is the simple interest on 1,800 for 10 years? This P is equal to 1,800, you know, and time 10 years, rate R is equal to 10%. So, what is the simple? I is equal to, you know, PTR upon 100, 1,800 upon into multiply by 10 into how many? Into 10 upon 100.
10.
PTR upon 100. 0 1 0 double zero cancel. Remainder 1,800. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 4.
Number 4. Given.
Yes.
Thank you. Next 10. Yes. A man borrow 20,000 for the house. P is equal to how many? 20,000. 2 years time. 2. And rate 10%. Right? So, interest is equal to. So, what is the total amount? Amount is asked. Samura Sudha is asked. So first we will calculate what? Interest. I is equal to what? PTR upon 100. P 20,000. 20,000 into 2 into 10 upon 100. Right? Double zero cancel. Right? So this is 2,000. 200 into 10 is equal to 2,000 into 2 is equal to 4,000. 4,000. Right? This is the interest. So principal 20,000. Interest 4,000. Total 24,000. Okay. He will return 24,000 after 2 years. Yes, number 3, 10.
Yes.
Number 3 is correct. Okay. Next one is find the simple interest of 700 at 4% per year for 3 years. P 700. Next R 4%. Time how many?
3 years.
3 years. Zero cancel. Right? 3 4 the 12, 12 7 the 84. Which is correct? Number 4 is correct. Right? Okay. Then number 11. A sum amounted to RS. We don't know what is the sum. What is the principal? What is the amount? Amounted to rupees 2,486. This is the amount. Samula Sudha. With the interest of 13%. Hara. This is the rate. Per annum. A sum amount to RS with the interest of 13 per annum, then what is the sum? The sum da kete. Which number? Let the sum is 100%. Then a sum amounted with 13% per annum, interest is equal. So, per just 1 year, time 1 year. T is equal to 1 year. Could you understand? So, let's P be 100. Right? Let's P be 100. Principal 100. Rate this is the amount and this is the amount. We are asked to find out the principal. So let's do it. When amount is 113, right? Principal is equal to 100. When amount is 1, principal is 100 upon 113. When amount is 2486, then P is equal to 2486, right?
113 को 222 था.
113. So 113. Here we shall do it. Just 1 minute. 2486, right? Yes, 113. 2 the 226, right? 2, sorry. Yes, 226 again. 226, right? So the here 22, right? Is equal to 2200, 2200. The P is equal to 2200. Which is correct? Tell me.
4.
Yes, 4 is correct. Right. Next, which number? Tell me. Tell me. A man borrows 600 from his friend. He agrees to pay it back after 8 months together with simple interest at 8% per annum. What amount will he pay? Okay, the P is equal to 600, right? Back after 8 months, the time is equal to 8 months. 8 months means how many years? Tell me.
8 months.
8 means
12 years.
8, no.
8 upon 12 years.
Right, 8 upon, that is 8 upon 12 years, right? With the simple interest 80% or 80%. So let's say calculate this interest. Then we shall calculate the amount. Okay, so P 600 into T 8 upon 12 into rate 100. 00 cancelled. Right? 3, 2, 6, 2 the 2, 4 the 4, 8 the 32. 32 interest and a 600 principal. Amount is 632. Which is correct? Number 4 is correct. Thank you. Next, the simple interest on 300, P is equal to 300. This is interest at the rate of 6%, R is equal to 6%. Per annum is that is 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 upon 2 time. This is time. So will be the simple interest I is equal to 500. This is 500 or 300? Tell me.
300.
300. 300 upon what? 6 upon 5 upon 2 upon 100. 00 cancel. 2. Which is correct? So 45 is right. Interest is asked, not amount. So this is right. Right? Next. 45 is right. Okay. Next one is, see, in how many years time is asked? How many years? Bill 500, 5 P is equal to 500. Amount to 6,000, amount to 6,000, 600. So I is equal to 600 minus 500 is equal to 100.
100.
This is the amount. Rate is equal to 5%. Parameter simple interest. So time is equal to T is equal to I into 100 upon P into R. Right? So what is it? 100 into 100 upon P. P is equal to how many? 500.
500 into 5.
5. Right? So
500,
5 that. Right? 5 into 5 is 25.
25.
Or 5 20 that. 5 4 that. So answer is equal to 4. Which is correct? 4 years 2.
4 years 2. Yes. Number 2.
Okay. With this is done. That is the end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.